All right, question 28. This is very similar to one of the questions in with the arithmetic sequences here. It's just in this case right here, instead of using the common difference in a sequence with algebraic expressions, we're going to use the common ratio. Now what that means is, in order to figure out what the r value is, I'm going to take the second term and divide it by the first term. Okay? Now that is going to be equal to the third term divided by the second term. Now this gives me a proportion, okay, r equal to r, two different ways of expressing the exact same term here. I'm going to cross multiply, really, is what I'm going to do. I mean, I know I probably shouldn't call it that, but yeah, for all intents and purposes, that's what I'm doing. And so x plus 75. And so when I do that and expand both sides here, I'm going to get x squared minus 50x plus 625, okay, is going to equal x squared plus 30x minus 3,375. Actually, I'm just going to double check that I did that right. Yeah. And then, whoops, shoot. Well, anyway, that's okay. Now, this looks a little bit intimidating. It looks like a big quadratic, but it turns out that the quadratic terms end up canceling out here. If I bring the 50x over, okay, so the quadratic terms are gone. If I bring the 50x over, that's going to be 80x on this side. And so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring this other term over, so I'm going to bring the 3,375 to the left-hand side, which means I'm going to add that 625, and I'm going to end up with 4,000. And from there I'm going to divide, and we will get 50. Okay, so the value of x here is 50. And that's all we needed to do for this